Hi everyone, it is Lou here. I am your hands-on principal. Okay, now I run a business that is very, very different to most property management businesses. Because let me just ask you this: when was the last time the principal of your agency got down on her hands and knees to check an issue for you? Okay, so I don't look flash, right? But it doesn't bother me. I have been doing this for years so quietly, and I've realized that many investors who don't know me would never imagine the level of involvement, problem solving, personal responsibility that I actually bring to every property and the care that I have for every single client. So I'm here to show you how I actually work. Again, in that property where I recently attended to re-inspect some movement cracks, the tenant had raised those concerns about the movement cracks in 4 locations. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I had to do to try and ascertain why there was movement cracks in the lower floor. Now, I don't expect my team to know everything, but I do expect myself to understand that every property and every property owner needs my attention on their investment. And this sets a tone for my entire business. As soon as those concerns came through, I updated my owner. It wasn't a pleasant conversation that she wanted to hear, but she had to know. She purchased this home through the buyer's agents, and she transferred the management over to us a year ago, and she has spent an enormous amount of money addressing issues her previous agencies ignored and frustrated the tenants during that. So given her history, I chose to personally attend some of these matters. Now, these cracks were not at the previous inspection. And I'm just letting you know, not every principal has the background to perform an initial assessment on movement related issues like I do. Okay, this is where my skill set shines through. I've renovated, developed, and I've been in the construction industry for many, many years, and I've learned how to diagnose issues, trace causes, and prioritize practical solutions. This is the real hands-on experience, not guesswork. Owners trust me because I am proactive, I am transparent, and I am present. I don't sit behind a desk seeing contractors out blindly. I physically attend, investigate, ensure that every concern is managed with the level of care that I would want for my own investment. All right, and if it's beyond me, then we'll be like, yep, we need professionals. So if you want a property management company who understands construction, maintenance, structural realities, and apply practical solutions, and genuinely willing to get on the ground to protect your asset, contact me directly. My number is 0425225678, and I am taking more clients across Logan, Ipswich, Brisbane, and the Moreton Shire. Look, it is no obligation. It is just a conversation about what you need. Thank you so much for watching.